Hello, what is your name?
I'm Annabel Pandakas.
How old are you?
40.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
5 kids.
How old are they?
16, 14, 13, 10, and 8.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4.
Okay, so 4 years, right?
4 years.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Have Dubai 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
4.
4 years.
4 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Songxiawan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,800.
How many family members there?
5.
How many children?
3.
3. Okay, how old are they? Now?
Now, 13, 10, 2.
2. Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning? 6 o'clock. 6:45. And then?
And then wake up the children, prepare the breakfast for her and for them, and then take them in her school.
Okay. So about do you go market? No.
With my
grandma.
popo,
Okay.
grandma.
Okay. So when you go back home, you clean the house, right?
Clean the house, and then need to prepare the room.
Clean the room.
Yes.
Okay. So how about ironing?
Yes.
Okay. So how about dinner? What time you prepare?
The dinner 7:30.
7:30.
8 o'clock.
They will eat at 7:30, right? Okay. So what time you go to bed?
11, 10.
10 o'clock. Okay. Thank you so much.